on the exhibition floor here at the show. I'm delighted to be joined by Jacques Varé. Hi Jacques, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Now, you're from Optex. For anyone who isn't familiar with what Optex does, just give us a quick lowdown.
We're a company that manufactures products that are designed to detect things. So we make sensors of all sorts for environmental conditions to security applications and automatic door applications.
Okay, and what sort of sensor technology do you guys specialize in?
We specialize in everything that is using infrared, whether it's active infrared, passive infrared, camera-based infrared, time-of-flight technology.
Okay, and where are the innovation areas in the sensing technology space?
Well, some of the innovations that we have had so far is the ability to create a product that can count traffic flow in and out of a building, be able to tell you the occupancy of a building at any given time, and also to be able to create security environments with piggybacking, so that if you have an application where only one person should enter at a time, we have an innovative product that will let you know if it's more than one person trying to enter and actually have an activity, whether it be to stop them, lock them in, or back them out of that area.
The people tracking technology sounds very interesting. I understand you've got something working on your stall that people can see today.
Yes, I have two. I actually have one that's working on my stall. I'm using it for tracking people and counting how many people go into what section of my booth, which is broken into 3 areas. Yep. And so I know which area has the biggest traffic at the end of a given day, at the certain time of day, and I can review that information and compare it with my information gathering throughout the trade show.
Okay. Now you brought some products to show us here. You've got something in your hand here. Tell me about this.
Yes, this is actually a raw prototype of a product. This is a microwave product, but we're actually using this rather than detecting motion. We're going to detect the presence of a vehicle. And so the applications could be everything from an electric vehicle's charging station at a gas station to a bus station to know that a bus is in position to be able to allow people to board the bus rather than have them on a platform without any vehicle being present.
Okay, and you've got a black box here. Is this the piggybacking device?
This is the piggybacking device. It actually uses infrared transmission and camera technology to receive that infrared reflection. And it knows how far away something is by how long it takes for that light to be pulsed back to it.
Okay, and the final product that you've got here, this looks like something I might have in my house. What's that for?
Yes, this is a monocular, actually camera-based people counting technology. Right. And it uses 3D imaging and mapping to be able to know how many people are going through underneath it at any given time. And the data is transmitted over Ethernet cable back to a base.
Okay, terrific. And are there any particular hero products or any launches that you have happening at IFSEC this year?
Yes, on top of these two products, the one that is used for the tailgating and the people counting, we have products that are used for long-range infrared, we call it point-to-point photo beam. And what we're doing is we're actually launching a product that will self-adjust, so you don't have to actually do any adjustments or aiming in the field. So the innovative part of that is a mechanism that mounts to it, and its ability to know the strength of the signal, whether or not it's lined up properly. And so we're launching that here at this trade show today.
And whereabouts, if people want to come and see this technology in action, whereabouts are you on the shop floor?
Well, we're at booth D600, and it's the booth that's right behind me.
Terrific. Jacques Varé from Optex, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. We'll be back later on.